How to enable or disable background rendering in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the top menu bar. Click on Playback and then hover over Render Cache. Here you will see three options: Known, Smart and User. If you want to enable background rendering, choose either Smart or User. When you select Smart, DaVinci Resolve automatically decides which clips need to be rendered based on the effects and adjustment you have applied. This is useful for most editors as it handles rendering without needing manual input. If you select User, you can manually choose which clips or sections should be cached. To do this, right-click on a clip in the timeline and select Render Cache Color Output or Render Cache Fusion Output, depending on what you want to render. This gives you more control over what gets rendered in the background. To disable background rendering, simply go back to the Render Cache option under the Playback menu and select Known. This will turn off any automatic caching and DaVinci Resolve will stop rendering clips in the background. Additionally, if you want to customize how rendering works, go to Project Settings by clicking the gear icon at the bottom right. Under the Master Settings tab, scroll down to the Optimized Media and Render Cache section, where you can choose the cache format, location, and more for better performance. And that's it. Now you know how to enable or disable background rendering in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.